channel, another learning for today. In this video, I will show you how to manage your Google accounts using your YouTube app. Like, if you wanted to remove one of the accounts that is connected to your YouTube app, all you have to do is just go to your YouTube app and then click on the profile picture that you will see at the top right. Then click the arrow icon. So as you can see here, I have logged into multiple email addresses. So some of these are my Ninja accounts and some are my brand account. So these Ninja accounts are those accounts that I use to subscribe to my own channels to get more subscribers and to subscribe to other YouTubers. And sometimes I use them also in joining contests like comment picker. So more entries, more chances of winning. So how do we remove these accounts from your YouTube app? It's so easy, guys. Just scroll down and you will see this manage account. Click on that one. Then you will see here all the email addresses that are connected. So for example, I'm going to remove olgaamericana.marine@gmail.com. Just click on that email address, then click remove account, then confirm remove account. Okay, just wait for it. So as you can see here, Olga Americana is no longer in the accounts connected to my YouTube app. Let's confirm that. You can try to check it here by going to your YouTube app. Okay, go back again, open your YouTube app. Just wait for it to load and then click on this profile picture. We are just confirming, guys. Then click on the right arrow that you see and try to find Olga Americana. So it's no longer here. So that's how easy it is to remove the accounts that is an account that is connected to your YouTube app. And how do we add a new account? So it's just easy also, guys. Just click on this plus icon or plus button, and then since I'm using an Android device, it will ask me to enter my PIN. So using your YouTube, we can sign into multiple accounts, and we will going to add again the email Olga Americana. I think that's my email address. Oh, sorry. Oh yeah. And click next. Yes, I'm in. So that's how easy, and click on I agree. So it's now logging me in. From your Gmail account, it will automatically redirect you to your YouTube app. Let's try to see. Okay, it's logging to Google services. Just wait for it to load. Checking info. Okay. Then, as you can see, guys, it automatically logs me into my Google account, Olga Marine. Then, for example, you win in the contest in comment picker and your Ninja account, like this Ninja account, Eva Marine, won. So it's just easy to switch. Just this one. Then you are automatically logged into your Ninja account. That's it, guys. That's how easy it is to manage your Google account. So these are my AlRitch Marine is my main email address, and the main YouTube channel that is connected to it is simply AlRitch Tutorials. And these two, Aloysian YouTubers and AlRitch TV, are the brand accounts. And so if I'm going to use my brand account here with the AlRitch.Marina Gmail account, it won't allow me to join a channel membership. I need to use my main email address for that brand account, which is almaricel@gmail.com. So just that's another lesson, guys. So brand accounts can it won't allow you to join a membership or click on the super chat. So while the rest are working fine as long as you connect your GCash or debit card or credit card or PayPal addresses. So that's it, guys. Let me know if you have any questions, further questions. And my big shout out also to Biani Chai for raising this question. So that's why I made this video. Thank you. I hope you learned something. Bye.